Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to set location in Instagram bio. This is quite a simple and easy process. So just follow me till the end and I'll give you guys the idea of how you can do this. Now, in order to do this, quickly open up Google Maps or any other map application that you want to use. Select the location that you want to add in your Instagram bio. Let's say I want this ping right here. Just click on the share button, copy the link of the location. Once that is done, you can go back to your Instagram profile, click on edit profile, and over here you will see an option where you can add links. Quickly click on add links, add external link, paste the URL that you just copied, and give this a title. So as you can see here, this is New Delhi. And once that is done, you can click on the top right corner and save the changes. Once all of this is finished, you can go back to your profile, refresh, and see that your bio now has the location that you just pinged. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set a location in your Instagram bio. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.